Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore the importance of inner peace and calm as pathways to well-being and contentment, rather than traditional measures of success. Start by settling into a comfortable seat. As your eyes gently close, give yourself permission to soften. Land into your practice, taking a few deep breaths. Long, slow inhales. Soft, releasing exhales. Now return to your natural breath. Let your inhales and exhales shape themselves easily. Just openly and curiously observe the instinctive rise and fall of your breath. And if thoughts arise, let them simply float by, almost like clouds drifting in the sky. Just softly, tenderly letting your thinking mind relax as you return to your breath. Easy, unhurried breaths flowing in and flowing out. And as you keep breathing, bring a sense of ease and peace into your body. Relax your feet. Soften your legs. Release your whole torso, front and back. Let your arms get heavy. Relax your hands. Soften your neck, your whole face. Let your head surrender. And feel your whole body relaxed and calm as you direct your awareness back to your peaceful breath flowing in and flowing out. Now gently widen your attention. We tend to measure success through our achievements and material gains. Perhaps we feel we've made it when we get promoted, buy a new car, or own a big house. And though it's important to set goals and strive towards them, once we've reached these benchmarks of success, the contentment we feel seems fleeting at best. Thing is, true happiness doesn't come from new pairs of shoes, the titles that follow your name, or how much money is in your bank account. It comes from finding peace within ourselves. As we use meditation to grow mindfulness in our day-to-day life, we are building our container. We're developing acceptance, tolerance, appreciation, compassion, and kindness. Out of this mindfulness, we cultivate inner peace. And perhaps this sense of calm isn't always available to us, especially at first. Challenges will arise and sweep us off track. Hardships will momentarily set us back. But the more we practice, the easier it becomes to reconnect to a peaceful inner landscape, regardless of the chaos that happens around. This is how we grow lasting contentment. This is a true measure of success. Now, take a deep breath in, calling yourself back into the room around you. And as you breathe out, start to make small movements with your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Bring the peace of your meditation into the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.